In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable screenshots in Hubstaff. If you need to turn screenshot capture on for activity tracking, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along inside your Hubstaff dashboard without confusion. To begin, open Hubstaff and go to the main navigation area. From there, click on Activity. This section is where Hubstaff shows tracking related information, so it's the right place to start when you want to review or adjust screenshot behavior. Once you're in Activity, click on Screenshots. This takes you to the part of the platform specifically connected to captured screen images. Even though this page is mainly used to review screenshots, it also helps you quickly access the controls related to screenshot settings. After that, look for Settings and click on it. This is the area where Hubstaff lets you manage how screenshots are handled for your workspace or account. If you don't immediately see the option, take a moment to scan the page carefully, because settings are often placed in a top or side navigation area depending on your screen size. Inside Settings, go to Screenshot Frequency. This setting controls how often Hubstaff takes screenshots during track time. It's an important option because if screenshot frequency is set incorrectly, screenshots may not be captured the way you expect. When you find screenshot frequency, click on it to open the available choices. You should now see a list of options for how frequently screenshots can be taken. From that list, select any option except none. This is the key part of the setup. If none is selected, Hubstaff will not take screenshots at all. Choosing any other available setting will enable screenshot capture. In other words, as long as you pick a frequency that is not none, the screenshot feature will be active. After making your selection, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and confirm that the chosen frequency is now displayed correctly. That helps ensure the change has been applied successfully. And that's it. You've now enabled screenshots in Hubstaff by going to Activity, opening Screenshots, entering Settings, finding screenshot frequency, and choosing any option other than none. If you're following this for team tracking, just remember that screenshot behavior depends on the selected frequency, so make sure the setting matches the level of monitoring you want. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.